This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding the accounts you will use. Go to Settings, Mail Accounts, and sign in. Once done, enable push or set fetch intervals so messages arrive when you need them. Make sure to choose a default sending account and create a concise signature. This saves time and prevents accidental replies from the wrong address. You're not configuring every preference yet. Focus on connectivity and identity so the app can send and receive reliably. Now you organize incoming flow. Create folders and smart mailboxes so similar messages appear together. This reduces manual triage. Once done, set rules on the server or smart mailboxes locally to auto-sort newsletters, bills, and project threads into folders. Make use of VIP for critical contacts and customize swipe actions to archive or delete quickly. These steps reduce clutter and make search faster, so you spend minutes per day, not hours, finding what matters. Finish by composing habits and a quick troubleshooting routine. When composing, use reply all sparingly and enable a short delay send to catch mistakes. This prevents accidental replies. If sending fails, check SMTP server, port, and authentication, re-enter passwords, and enable SSL if required. Make sure mail has network access. If problems persist, force close mail, reboot the device, and sign out, then back in. If that still fails, contact your email provider with exact error text for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.